Next question is from GATE 2016 Fluid Mechanics for 1 mark. Vertical cylindrical vessel has a layer of kerosene over a layer of water. L-shaped glass tubes are connected to the column 30 cm apart. The interface between the two layers lie between the 2 points at which the L tube are connected. The levels to which the liquid rise in the respective tubes are shown in the figure below. This is given. The distance x in centimeter of the interface from the point of which lower L tube is connected is. Let's start with the solution. So we will use the hydrostatic law here. So you can see here I am doing one thing. First you can see here this height is 20 centimeter actually. So actually the pressure will be calculated as P is equal to rho g h, right, where h is here 20 centimeter. So what we can do, I will do 20 into 800 into g. 800 is given is in kg per meter cube, 20 is given in centimeter, and g is gravitational acceleration due to gravity, which is also in SI unit, but I can write it as in 20 in centimeter also, since when I calculate it in centimeter all the units will be cancelled out automatically, so there is no problem to put the value here in centimeter. If I calculate the separately pressure, then I need to convert it in meter. So right, so this is the actually it is the easiest way to solve this problem. If you convert it in meter, then you will get in answer in meter, and then you will convert it again in centimeter, since they are asking the value of x in centimeters. So I will solve in this. So this height plus this height will exert a pressure, and this height will exert a pressure equal to the pressure exerted by the water column of this, right? So we will start here, that is 20 plus this, what will be this height? You can see here it is given as 30 and it is given as x, so it will be 30 minus x. This length will be 30 minus x. You can see here it will be 30 minus x into 800 again, right? It is 800 again, since it is also a kerosene. You can see here it is kerosene, so 20 into 800 into g plus 30 minus x into 800 into g. Again this height will be for water, so it will be x into 1000 into g. It is equals to, it will be equals to 42 into 1000 into g, right? This complete pressure will balanced by this water column, right? So you can see here g to g will be cancelled out from here, right? And after solving it, you get x is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.